Alright guys, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my theme. The theme that I picked for this class is the dairy industry. So I'm just going to go through the normal path that milk takes from the cow to the processing facility. So first we start out with cows on a farm, doing their thing. Cows are milked every day, twice a day, and they're usually milked by these like mechanical milkers. These little tubes go around the teats and they extract the milk from the cow. It's a very stress-free experience. Many of the cows actually enjoy it. Then the milk is taken from the farm in a big tanker truck to a milk processing facility. Here, the milk is pasteurized and cleaned and bottled. And then to produce our dairy products that we know and love, like ice cream, cheese, and yogurt, that milk is then brought to a facility like this. This is actually a yogurt making facility where it is further refined and cleaned and made into the dairy products that we like to enjoy. So that's just a little bit about my theme. I'm pretty passionate about it because I'm an agricultural education major. Thanks.